Hello, welcome to SS Multimedia. This is Arjun Kakanda. Today we will be learning about special quotients. Objective. Our objective for the day will be using multiplication facts with 0 and 1 to learn and understand the special division rules with 0 and 1, and also understanding that any number divided by itself equals 1. Dividing number by itself. 4 friends wanted to share 4 books. How many books should each person have for everyone to have an equal amount of books? Use a number sentence and solve. Our main question here is how many books should each person have for everyone to have an equal amount of books? So let's go ahead and highlight it. Now let's take a look at the numbers. There were 4 friends. So let's highlight it, but in a different color. And they wanted to share 4 books. And let's highlight that. So now, what we need to do is let's go ahead and draw 4 friends. In our case, it will be circles. These circles represent the number of friends. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we know they wanted to share 4 books. Let's go ahead and draw 4 books. In our case, it will be rectangles. Now, let's go ahead and divide them equally. So, each person or friend is supposed to get at least 1. So now, let's divide them. 1, 2, 3, and finally 4. Now we don't have any more books left. So what does that mean? That means that we're done. That's it. Each person gets 1 book. But if you take a look, it says use a number sentence and solve. So we're still not done. We still need to do a number sentence. So our number sentence would be 4, because there are 4 friends, divided by 4, because there are 4 books. 4 divided by 4 equals 1. So our answer is each friend gets 1 book. Our rule here states that any number divided by itself equals 1. Now, take a look at these problems. Try them out, pause this video. Assuming that you gave them a go, I'm going to show you how to do them. Take a look at the rule again. Any number divided by itself equals 1. Now, all these numbers are divided by itself. That means all the answers are 1. Now let's move on to dividing by 1. What if there are 6 books and only 1 person? Solve this using a number sentence. Let's highlight 6 books and 1 person because that is how many we have, how many books we have, and how many people we have. We only have 1 person, so let's go ahead and draw 1 circle. Now let's draw 6 rectangles representing the books. Now let's divide them equally. Now that there's only 1 person, all you need to do is simply put all the 6 rectangles near that one person. Now, as you can see, this one person has all of the books. That means that 6 divided by 1 equals 6. The person gets 6 books. Our rule for these kind of questions is any number divided by 1 equals itself. Now go ahead, pause this video, and give these problems a go. Assuming that you gave them a go, I'm going to show you how to do them now. The rule is any number divided by 1 equals itself. And all of these numbers here are being divided by 1. That means our answers here are these. 3 divided by 1 equals 3, 5 divided by 1 equals 5, 10 divided by 1 equals 10, 50 divided by 1 equals 50, 100 divided by 1 equals 100, 500 divided by 1 equals 500, and 1000 divided by 1 equals 1000. Now let's move on to 0 divided by a number. So now our rule is 0 divided by any number equals 0. Now go ahead, pause this video, and give these problems a go. Assuming that you gave them a go, I'm gonna show you how to do them now, just like the other two. The rule here is 0 divided by any number equals 0. So pay close attention. All of these numbers on the left side are 0. So if you paid attention to the rule, you should know that all these answers are 0. 0 divided by 1 equals 0, 0 divided by 5 equals 0, 0 divided by 9 equals 0, 0 divided by 30 equals 0, 0 divided by 120 equals 0, and 0 divided by 0 is also 0. Now let's move on to dividing by 0. Pause this video and give these problems a go. It is going to be a bit confusing. Assuming that you gave them a go, I'm going to show you how to do them this time. The rule here is dividing a number by 0 is impossible. It's undefined. So now, if you don't understand it, I'm going to show it to you in like the way we did for the book question. Now take a look here. Let's say we have 5 books right here, but 0 people. That means we can't divide it at all. So that means it's just impossible. So all of these questions right here, they're not possible. So if you get a question like this anywhere, all you need to say is simply not possible or undefined. Now please go over these rules. Dividing a number by 1 equals itself. Dividing a number by itself equals 1. 0 divided by any number equals 0. Dividing a number by 0 is not possible or undefined. These two, dividing a number by 1 equals itself, and dividing a number by itself equals 1, are interconnected. So if you like, you can write them down as one rule. Thank you for watching this video. If this video helped you out, please like and share and subscribe to our channel.